Good evening, my name is Linda Collins and I am the chorus and one of the general music teachers here at Creighton, and I'm just here to tell you a little bit about my course. And at the end of this presentation I'll give you all of my contact information. That way if you have any further questions or concerns you can feel free to contact me at any time. So as I said, my name is Linda Collins and this is general music. So I have three general music classes, 8th grade, 7th grade, and 6th grade. 8th grade general music meets Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 9:10. 7th grade meets Monday through Friday from 10:45 to 11:25. And 6th grade meets Monday through Friday from 12:20 to 1 o'clock. All of your students can access those classes through the live class channel. So if students are in their team, they're going to want to go to their general music class. And I will just use 8th grade as my example. They're going to want to open up their class for the team, and they're going to go to the live class channel right over here on the left. So in order to join that class, they're going to see it pop up. They would just click here, and then up here at the top right corner, they would click join, and that is how they would attend class each day. So the topics we're going to be discussing this year are pitch, rhythm, music vocabulary, the elements of musical performance, genres of music, team building, listening skills, musical composition, and more. So for example, right now in 8th grade, we are learning about drumming from the Middle East and in Asia. So we've learned about drumming in the Middle East, India, and Japanese drumming is what we're working on right now. In 7th grade, we are working on composing our own music for a news theme. And we'll be continuing with that and working in towards music technology and scoring for animations. And in 6th grade right now, we're working on some fundamentals, making sure we know what pitch and rhythm is so that we can work our way up into learning ukuleles. So we have two different types of assessments, formative and summative. They each count for 50%. So formative assessments are things like daily participation grades, attendance checks, and exit tickets, as well as notebook checks. We are using class notebook, and students are required to take notes in those class notebooks through the Teams program. And I do occasional checks to make sure that they have all the information they should. When students log into class, they are required to put something into the team chat so that I know that they are present. And then often I have an exit ticket. Those are not always graded, but very often they are. And then some of our summative assessments would be written quizzes, such as vocabulary and other things we may have learned. Performance quizzes, for example, in 7th grade, after they're done composing, they will be performing those via Teams. Unit tests, projects, and performance evaluations, evaluating each other's performances. So I'll be showing you in just a second where you can find all of that course information and any sort of frequently asked questions you may have. And then if you ever are wondering how your child is doing in my class, you can always look up their grade in PowerSchool. So to get additional information and frequently asked questions, you're going to come back to our team. And you can see over here on the left, I actually have a course info and FAQs, frequently asked questions channel. So if you open up that channel and go up here to the files, you will see that I have all of our course requirements there for you to read, and then also the frequently asked questions and IT information as well. So if you are having any sort of technical issues or anything like that, the contact information is here. So at the top, we've got information for students. If students have specific questions, who do I contact? If I have issues, where do I find my assignments? Things like that. And then down here, we also have some FAQs, frequently asked questions for you, the parents. So when am I available? If you need to contact somebody for a parent conference and other additional information like that. If your child needs additional help, I am available for help every day from 2 o'clock to 3:45 via the RTI channel, which I will show you in just a moment. Your child simply needs to let me know that they need assistance and I will set up a time. I am also available every Friday. That RTI channel will be open for them to log on to get assistance. This is also a great time for them to make up any missed tests and quizzes if they are absent from class. So to get to that RTI channel, back at our class team, right over here, you can see we have RTI. They would click on that channel, and then there's a class, and they would click and join just as they do for our normal class time. So if they do miss a class, there's two different ways they can get that information. They can watch the class stream. All of our classes are recorded and then they were uploaded to that same live class channel. I'll show you that in just a moment. And then also I upload all of my PowerPoints that I use to teach during the week on Fridays. So I will show you both of those. So to get to the stream from class, you would need to go back to the live class channel here on the left. And you can see here, this is the feed from all of our classes. So it may take a second to search through and find the class, especially if they were absent several days ago. But if you ever have any trouble finding the stream from a specific class, you can always feel free to email me and I can send it to them in the chat, or I can send it directly to you via email, whichever is more convenient. So if you scroll down, you can see here, this is the recording from our class today. So they would simply need to click on it and they could watch the video from class. If they'd like to take a look at the PowerPoint, they would need to go back to the general channel, come up here to files, and then you're going to see a folder with lessons. So this is all of the PowerPoints for the whole week, all of the information that I've covered for that week, and they're welcome to look in there. Now I do wait and upload these Friday afternoon, so if your child is absent on Wednesday, then this would not be uploaded until Friday after school of that same week. So cameras on or off for my class. Right now, I'm only requiring 5 students at a time to have their cameras on, and this is a random selection of students each day. However, if I do ask your child to turn their camera on, that is an expectation and a requirement for my class. I cannot give students credit for attending if I don't know that they're actively participating. So if I call on your child and their camera's not on, I do need them to unmute and answer my questions. Simply logging on and being there logged on doesn't count as attendance. I need to know that they're actively participating in what we are doing. So if you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to contact me. So my contact information, linda.collins@richland1.org is my email. You can also always feel free to have the students send me a message in Teams via chat, or you can always reach out at the school, 803-738-7224, extension 3703. I am very excited to be working with your students this year. I know this is kind of a crazy year and things are a little bit different, and learning music this way is very, very odd, but we're going to make the best of it, and I'm very excited to be working with your kids. I'm very much enjoying them. Some of them I've already known from last year. Some of them are new to me this year, so I'm really enjoying getting to know them. Like I said before, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you so much.